this is EunBom here. Today, I'm gonna show you how to use a glitter for your special day. This makeup will make you more stick out at the party. Since I love fancy things, I've got the biggest glitter in Korea. This glitter is from UNLEASHIA, so if you like fancy things like me, try this one. I will apply the glitter on my eyes, eyebrows, hair, neck, and lips. Okay then, let's get started. First an eye, I'm gonna apply the glitter on both of my eyelids and lower lids. Try not to put too much on. Next, an eyebrow. You should be careful because the liquid of the glitter might make your eyebrows wet. So, you should just try to put on the glitters by using the brush. And I'm gonna use my hands to apply the glitters on my hair. Just take one section of your hair where you want to apply the glitter and apply with your hands. For the neck, I'll use my hands too. And just for a little bit more special, I'm going to apply the glitter on my collarbone and give it more accent. This looks pretty cool. Finally on lips, just think of the glitter as your lipstick. But you should try not to put too much on your lips. Now I'm done with my makeup look. Thank you for watching my video and have fun!